Alright. I said I'm going to do the 2-minute warning, so let's go. Basically the same thing as the Terrible 2, but you get 2 minutes to do it. Kind of shows you how fast. You can beat pretty much any boss on here with the Rhino 3. Already got one of them down. Scan this guy. He's pretty easy to get. Alright. Alright. 90 seconds of carnage. I'll do this one in just as the last part of this vid. Six rounds in 2 minutes. See if I can do this. Fifth round already. Alright. And that's the second part. Well, actually, planned on making this on just 2-part guide because it's not that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the practice challenge. Well, either that or I could do the Heat Street. Yeah, I do Heat Street. It's a little more challenging. It's what you do when you come here, pretty much, but the practice challenge is just how easily you can get through here with just the Rhino 3. I need more. Do I have that on? Should have that on. Okay. And this is going pretty fast. I can just stand in one spot and probably do it. But that's not very exciting. Try not to even use my wrench, which I shouldn't have to really. Or the Inferno box. Okay. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do any more other challenges. Pretty much can see how much or how powerful this is. So yeah, if you haven't bought this yet, like on the game, it's pretty much worth buying because you can do a lot with it. It's pretty powerful. So alright, next probably be finishing Going Commando or Speedrun. So look for that next. See ya.